Hey there, welcome to your YouTube channel. My name is Rishi and I'm a professional accountant, a consultant, and a successful freelancer on Upwork. Are you ready to kickstart your career and to land your first job on Upwork? Follow these 7 essential tips to make the most of your experience. Tip number 1. Work on your Upwork profile. Create a complete and professional Upwork profile. This includes a profile picture, job history, and relevant skills. Make sure everything is up to date and accurate. Tip 2. Start small. Start by applying for small jobs and work your way up. Look for projects with fixed rates and bid low to get started. Once you have built up your portfolio and reputation on Upwork, you can start charging higher rates. Don't be discouraged if you don't get a response right away. Keep applying and keep trying. Tip number 3. Be sure to read the job description carefully. Always read the job description carefully. Many freelancers overlook this step. By carefully reading the job description, you gain valuable insights into the client's requirements and expectations. This enables you to tailor your proposals to showcase how you are the perfect fit for the job. Tip number 4. Personalize the cover letter. Write a personalized cover letter for each job application. Show the client that you have read and understood their requirements and explain why you are the right candidate for the job. Your cover letter is a chance to make a great first impression. It should be concise, engaging, and highlight your relevant skills and experience. A well-crafted cover letter can significantly increase your chances of landing that first job. Tip number 5. Read clients' reviews. Before submitting a proposal, take time to read reviews from previous freelancers who have worked with the client. This will give you valuable insights into their work style, communication, and payment practices. There is a time for a bonus tip now. You may also find the name of the client in the reviews from previous freelancers. This will help you personalize the cover letter. Tip number 6. Take certifications. You need to take certification tests to showcase your skills and stand out from the competition. Make sure to highlight your certifications and test scores on your profile and cover letter. Tip number 7. Be consistent in applying for the jobs. Be persistent and patient. It may take time to land your first gig, but don't give up. In my experience, considering the factors like competition, individual skills, and experience, success rate of ending up getting a new client is 5%. This means if you will submit 100 proposals, there is a high probability that you will land up getting 5 jobs. Of course, this can be more or less, depending on the factors I mentioned. Bonus tip. After you submit a proposal, follow with the clients after a few days. Show the client that you are interested and motivated to work with them. But remember, don't spam. Remember, landing your first job on Upwork can take time and effort. Stay positive and keep working hard. Good luck. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great tips and tricks to succeed on Upwork. I'll see you in the next video. Happy freelancing.